show you how we service a fit once cartridge. There's no need to drain the boiler down. As you can see, this boiler is under pressure. What we do recommend is you do not service the valve with a temperature of anything more than 40 degrees because the components can get quite hot, so you can check the temperature simply there. We've got the boiler in standby. That is no demand for hot water, no demand for heating, and we turn the power off, isolate the boiler. First thing to do, move the cable to the diverter valve. You're supplied with the service tool, which is very easy to do. Just insert like that, and you turn it anti-clockwise, so it's simply turning until you feel some resistance. That's now locked the valve down, and you can remove the little canister. Just pull it out. So there's the canister holding your seals. On the service you'll get a new canister. You simply insert that into the tool, put that back in position over the pin, screw it in until you meet some resistance, then open up the valve. This time we're going clockwise, and that's it. The valve is now open. You have new seals. Put your motor. Hold the motor in position when you're screwing this back on. Make sure it doesn't come off the pin. Touch your cable. Turn your power back on. That's it, job done. You can buy this kit on our website by www.buycombi.com. Check the link in the description. You'll also find it for sale on eBay. Thanks for watching.